Oh, kia ora, brother. Chair. Chair.
Up to you, at your place.
Yeah,
At your place.
just at home, yeah. We are up in Kirikiri at Uncle's Batch, my little home studio, and we're about to lay all the vocals to the demo track that we got for the song Poi Pūkeko by Manawa Maurea. Well, this, yeah, I actually haven't really listened to it since the first day you gave me that new live track, so these fellas will be watching me learn it at the same time, I suppose, but oh well. Rob got in contact with me earlier last year that there was the concept of getting artists to kind of not so much rearrange a song, but just bring it into a modern context. Once I do my stuff, then what happens? Is anyone else gonna sing on it, or is it just me?
Just you, mate.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, just you and chuck whatever else, some guitar stuff on there if you want to.
Yeah.
Whatever.
The arrangement you sent me, apart from like a longer intro, is pretty much the same arrangement, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah.
That's the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got given Poi Pūkeko, and to be honest, I didn't really know that waiata before I got it, but I know why he picked me, because it is a little bit fruitier, and he knows I'm the fruitiest of them all. I done a demo way back before the band went into the studio, done a Massey to do their version of it. So just to give them an idea of where I wanted to take it. And then they went in and smashed it. So we're just using that track and relearning the waiata. Then we're gonna lay some leads, lay the harmonies, lay a few gets. Hopefully it won't take too long, but it could take ages. I don't know, the intro might be a bit long. I probably have to add a little, some little thing to, otherwise people are gonna get bored before the drums drop in. Need to chuck a little melody in there or something. Music is the language of the world, you know? Most of the music I've been listening to the last year is all international music. I don't know what they're talking about, but I can feel it. I suppose that's what music's all about, is provoking emotion and also giving you moments, you know? You hear a waiata and it immediately takes you back to 1996, Ihinga, or whatever those, Lion King, all those songs, you hear them and you takes you immediately back to those spots. So music is a real powerful thing. I never overthink guitar too much. Like, a lot of it's already laid out on the track that the Witch Doctor crew sent up to me. So that melody at the start that I kind of doubled, that was already laid out. So I was just giving it a texture on the SG. But I knew it had another melody that I needed to put on, and I remember back on the last demo I did have that little melody, so just had to get a nice tone. Especially because that intro is so long, you wanted something to break it up. So I had my Duesenberg guitar through an auto wah pedal that gives it that crusty old school vibe, which I'm all about. And one thing I've always said when you're doing music or when you're writing songs or doing songs, if you bring an idea out, you have to bring it back again. You can't just have it a random thing at the start. So it's at the beginning and at the end, but then that melody also comes in those choruses. So it's just so it makes sense. hopefully to te Manawa Maurea like what I did and don't give me a growling. Rongowhakaata Puku kata-kata whakapono mana ki tamariki Rongowhakaata